There's Fluffy and Crooktail. And there's Adolph over there. And Vincent is hanging out by the Tower of Sticky. Oh, and the door opens up. Yeah, there's Charlotte. It's another night of threatening rain. So all the food goes out on the deck. Crooktail got to the canned food first. That's not a big surprise. She's good at that. And there's Bob. That's our usual crowd. And everybody's up there. And Shaggy will show up if Shaggy feels like it. Still haven't seen the kittens in a few days, so yeah. But yeah, there we go. Lots of food. Apples and bananas today, as well as the usual peanuts and cereal. And kibble, of course, and hot dogs. Yes, my kitty. Yes, you, my sweet little girl. My sweet little patchy puss. Oh. I am very happy today. The car I brought back from Arizona is now officially a Kentucky car. With its little handicap plates and everything. So I'm cool. And this is what, the 4th, so I had 2 whole more days. Makes me happy. So I'm hoping I get a good crowd again tonight. That was nice last night, having the gang all back. Yes, Miss Charlotte. I also hope my opossums keep coming. I'm really hoping that at least one of them is a girl opossum and I'll end up with little possum babies hanging off her. That would be nice. I've never actually seen an opossum with little babies hanging off other than in pictures. That's my furry crew. 6 adult furries. And the wind is definitely kicking up. Ah well. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, share, and I'll be back later, hopefully with raccoons. Bye-bye for now.